But if you close your eyes,
hey guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Ashish Sharma. Sorry guys for not being much active in YouTube, but I'm finally back with a Unity tutorial series. In this series, we will learn to create a drivable vehicle. It contains working lights, speedometer, fuel system including refueling system, player, which is going to be a FPS first person controller. It also allows you to enter and exit the vehicle. AI, such as vehicle AI. It will follow every road rules such as speed limits and stopping on the traffic lights. This series will also contain traffic light system, speed cameras and much more. It contains ticket system for breaking road rules such as running a red light or speeding and much more. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you guys. Alright guys, let's get it started. So first of all, what you guys need to do is go to the link in the description and get the simple cars pack. So this is what you need for this video. It includes 2 buses and 6 vehicles. So download them and import them into your project. And after that, what you want to do is go to assets, import package and select vehicles. What that will give you is a stranded assets, vehicles, cars, prefabs. That will give you this car. So to open that one, go to your stranded assets, vehicles, cars, prefab and this car. Drag it onto your scene. After you have done that one, let's test this car. So right click onto hierarchy, right click, camera, and let's put our camera here. So press Ctrl, Shift and F while selecting camera to put your camera on the view of this screen and press play. As you can see, I can drive this vehicle, but we want to make the vehicle that we got from the assets store. So we're gonna get this vehicle to drive as like this vehicle. So what you want to do is go inside the simple vehicle, prefabs and drag any vehicle that you want. I'm going to use this vehicle and alright, so let me give you the shortcut for the tools. So if you press W, it will give you the transform tool. If you press E, it will give you the rotation tool, and if you press R, it will give you the scaling tool. What you want to do is make sure you match the scale of the vehicle with this vehicle that we have on here by default. So it does not have to be perfect. That one will do. Yep, that looks pretty good. So what you want to do next is you want to drag this vehicle inside this car. So let's drag it inside that car and let's test it how it works. As you can see, we can drive, but this vehicle, we can still see its wheel, and the wheel of the vehicle, the white vehicle is turning, not the one on the white yellow vehicle. So what we want to do is we want to replace the wheel hubs and wheel colliders and the wheel masses with this vehicle. So what we're gonna do first of all, what we're gonna do is go to the sky car and hide it, so that way we get the view of this vehicle, and open that vehicle and rename all these objects. That will make our job way easier. So we'll say this one is body, this one is front left wheel, we're just gonna say front left, and this one is front right, and this one is rear right, and this one is rear left. After you have renamed all of it, it's time to replace these wheels with the other vehicle. So select the car, that is from the stranded assets, which has the car controller script. Under the car controller script and under the wheel masses, you can see the element 0, 1, 2, 3. What these are the wheel masses. What you want to do is you want to drag this onto this one. So what you're gonna do is, this is Skycar wheel front left, so you wanna get this front left and drag it there, and this is front right, get this front right and drag it there. This is rear right, so this is rear right, put it there, and rear left goes there. After that, you're all done. Next thing to do is make sure the colliders, we don't need to worry about it. It's not aligned, but we'll just give it a alright bit. We'll just fix it a bit. So this one is fine. Go inside the collider. Front one is fine, just that one. Bottom is not fine, so we'll scale it a bit up. That's good. And make sure it's a bit down so it matches with that one there. Alright, after that's done, go inside the wheel hubs, which is under the colliders, and let's go to 3D view or 2D view. So by pressing this square there and zoom in, this is front right. I think I'm on the right one. Yep. So front right, see, zoom in and align it with the wheel, and go to this view and put it in the middle, roughly middle, and we'll go to the rear right, go to that view and drag that and align with the rear view of the yellow car, and go to back view and make sure it's on the middle, roughly middle, and go to the rear left. Let's align the back first and drag it back a bit up, and let's see, yep, there you go. And the front left, drag it up a bit, go to the front view and put it in middle. Alright, that's all. After that's done, let's test the game. As you can see, the wheels are finally turning on this yellow vehicle. It's drivable, everything is fine. Alright, next thing up, we wanna get the speed meter of this vehicle. So what we wanna do is, I'll put the link in the description for you guys to download all of this files, all this texture. So what we want to do is drag all of this to our scene. So go to create a folder, material, and place all of this in there. Alright, after that is done, we'll create a right click UI, we'll create an image, double click that. As you can see, it's there. What we want to do, this is going to be our speedometer. Put that on the right side, and we want to put this image on that one, so like that. If you drag it, it won't work. So what you want to do is select this, the image, go to texture type and set it to sprite 2D and UI and hit apply. After that, you select this image and drag this onto the sprite. There you go, that's a nice speedometer. Press R, scale it up, align it, and there you go. Probably a bit smaller. This one will do. Alright, place it right there, looks good. After that part is done, what you want to do is rename this to Speedo, I believe. Yep. And right click, create empty, and say numbers. What you want to create is a UI text, and you want to create numbers like 10, 20, 40, 50. that will work as your speed indicator. So if you make it red like that, so you want to create all in the circle, so 10, 20, 40. Alright, I've already done that one, so what I'll do is I'll grab that one in there, all of this inside my numbers, and unhide that one. There you go. Alright, it's not perfectly matched, so the reason why it's not displaying is because of that. So let me make these
Alright,
mate,
what's your problem?
So that way we can adjust it. Speedo, there you go, and put the numbers on the side up. Alright, perfectly matched. And we want to put these numbers inside this Speedo, and inside this Speedo we also want to create a UI image. So this is the radiator or something. One sec guys, one sec. Yeah, this for this one. So what we want to do is click on that one, do the same thing, sprite, and apply, and click on the image and drag it onto the sprite. There you go, and resize it, scale it, probably that much will do. Alright, save it, and now it's time to, is that good? Yep. Now it's time to script. If you play, nothing will happen because we have not done anything. The speedometer is there, but it's not going to work. So next thing up, let's go to our script folder, create a C#, so we'll name it Speedo, and hit enter. Open it. We're gonna open it on Visual Studio. So after that one opens, what we want to do is we'll say public rigid body, and we'll say vehicle and semicolon, and we'll create one more public. We'll say float, 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 and we'll say min velocity, and we'll give it 0.115 f, and we'll create a public float, and we'll say max velocity, velocity, and we'll give this value of 0.9 f, semicolon. Alright, after that we'll say on start, so this void start means when the game starts. So we'll say image. I will also have to create one more function, so private. So private image image image. Make sure it's on capital letter, and we'll say image. So I don't know why this is giving me wrong, but yeah. So after that one we'll say on the start, so on the start image equal to get component, create that one, and two brackets, semicolon. So inside this we're gonna write image. So what we want to get is image And after that, on the void update, we'll say, so this is the frame by frame, so we'll say image dot fill amount. So fill amount, we are referring to, on the Unity, let me quickly say, we are and also make sure it is the image type of this radiator is on the field, not on the simple, and make sure it's on radial 360 and bottom, and that will give you this nice little effect. And so fill amount, this script is what we are referring to, this one, so this script is referring to that one. Alright, after that is done, we'll say equal to vehicle, so that vehicle is this one, so that is getting the rigid body, and we'll say velocity dot magnitude divide by mean velocity divide by max velocity. Max velocity, and we'll give it a semicolon. After that one, that's it. And we go to Unity, make sure we don't, okay. Alright, it says image could not be found. The reason why we ignore all. The reason why we're getting this error is we have not set UI there, so using Unity engine dot UI. Alright, now it should fix the error. If we go to Unity, this should fix up. There you go. And let's go to the image and drag this script there. And this vehicle rigid body should be inside this car, so drag this car inside there, and let's hit on play. Let's see how it works. Play it. As you can see, the radiator is getting super fast. To fix this, you have to play around with these settings, or you can go to the script and swap this, so max velocity divided by mean velocity. This may fix the issue. Nope. Alright, so you have to change some settings here. So if you set that number to probably 2. Alright, so the more you set, the better you get. So 40. Let's see what 40 will do. Alright, there you go. It works. You can change the settings, so
alright, mate, what's
you want your car to
problem?
be. What we'll do is we'll go to the camera, we'll put the camera right here, go to Shift F, and we'll put this camera inside the car, and let's play. Alright, as you can see, the speed is increasing. I don't feel like it's realistic. It's going over it. What we'll do is we'll go to the image and we'll say 50. Let's see how this will go. Alright, this looks a bit realistic. This is 40. We're using kilometer actually, we're not using miles, because I'm in Australia. That's what we use. I don't feel like it's, I think I may need 60. Alright, so this is 20, 40, 60, will 60 is this much, 80, 100, go around. Yeah, this one is alright. Play around with the settings until you get the right one, and yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and in my next video we will learn to create this fuel system and many more to come. Thank you, guys, and see you in next video.